Hey there, today I'll show you how to add Revolut Junior to Google Pay. For this, you have to ensure that you have Revolut Junior activated. Make sure the Revolut Junior card is set up and activated through the parents or guardian's Revolut account. If it's not activated, follow the necessary steps to set up a Junior account first. Now open the Google Pay app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store. Now in the Google Play app, tap on Payment Methods under the Cards tab. Then tap on the Add Payment Method button to add a new card. Now add your Revolut Junior card. Choose the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter the Revolut Junior card details, the card number, expiry date and CVV. If prompted, verify your card using the authentication method set by Revolut. After successfully adding your Revolut Junior card to Google Pay, then tap Done. Your Junior card is now ready to be used for contactless payment and online purchases through Google Pay. And that's it. That's how you can add Revolut Junior to Google Pay.